Hey Jelly Beans, it's Jeremy and welcome to my teaching philosophy. So, without further ado, let's go!
Here's a little background about myself. When I was a kid, my parents knew that I will be a good student when I grew up. I keep on telling them na magiging chef ako someday. I always dream high because back then I thought it will be easy for me to catch my dreams. Not until I learned and realized that it is actually hard. There are barriers na magpapabagal or magpapatigil sa'yo sa karera ng buhay. Throughout my journey, may times na mapapatingin ka na lang sa langit and ask the world, what is actually my mission or fate in this world? Before, naisip ko, bakit ko nga ba ginagawa tong mga bagay na to? And believe me, up until now, I still don't have an answer. As time went by, I grew up as someone approachable, funny, and jolly. Then, alam ko kung bakit yun yung mga character traits na binibigay nila sa akin. I'm a firm believer na hindi natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari bukas, so live your life to the fullest. Until I turned college, mas lumawak yung perspective ko sa mundo, mas lumalim. Here, mas naging maintindihin ako sa mga bagay, sa mga tao. I realized that every individual has their own path. Magkakasama man kami ngayon, but in the end of the day, each one of us will take the responsibility as a human. Maybe this is actually my calling. Maybe this is actually how I see the world. Maybe one of my responsibilities as an educator someday is to guide students with their freedom, choice, and responsibility. May nabasa nga ako sa isang libro and sabi doon, in a universe that doesn't give us a clear purpose, how do we live? Who are we really? Kaya siguro ako lagi nagtatanong dati kung ano ba talaga yung purpose ko. Dahil walang tamang sagot. Kasi ako ang natatanging sagot. We create our own purpose. This is the kind of educator I am going to be in the future. I will encourage students to find their own meaning. I will be their guide. As an educator someday, hindi lang sa pagtuturo ng facts or concepts na kapalooban trabaho ko. It is important for me to teach younger generation how they will find themselves. I believe na may freedom ang mga estudyante o ang bawat individual sa kung ano ang tatahakin nilang path sa hinaharap. But freedom comes with responsibility. As an existentialist, I am interested sa mga questions na mas malalim. The goal here is not to just bring academic success to my students, but to mold them na may tapang harapin ng buhay. At last, hindi lang ako magiging educator na magtuturo ng lecture. I am also here to help students na matuklasan ang sarili nilang kahulugan sa mundo. I am Jeremy and this is my teaching philosophy.